Hey, Bobby Las Vegas presents Flamingo Premium Room Review. We spent the night here, and I'm going to let you know should you pay and stay or stay away. Now, before we check out the room, please like and subscribe to see more of our Vegas and casino adventures. Alright, here we are, room 25173. Now, like most spots, the first room is the bathroom. Nothing crazy, single sink, nice backlit mirror. Then you got yourself the decent head to toe mirror to get yourself straight for the to go to the strip. Now, the Flamingo room, 550 square feet of space, nice king size bed, living area with a couch, 2 flat screen TVs. I call this almost like a suite-ish room. Now, as you see, they got this funky little thing. I guess trying to expand the space or something, make it look nice. Here's the dresser area. Here's where you got your safe at. Now, I know we spent just one night here, but of course had to have my provisions, keep them nice and cold. I said before, 550 square feet, definitely a lot of room in here, but it also seems like a lot of dead space. And here's the view. You're looking upon the habitat where you see the flamingos. You can also see a piece of the gold pool, so it's a nice little view up here. And here's what it looks like at night. Once again, the Flamingo Premium Room Review. I think it's actually a pretty solid spot. Can't wait to do it again.